Physics, you go around the whole country and shout Newton laws, Einstein equations, Maxwell equation, and nothing will happen in 1000 years unless and until you have transformed your knowledge of physics into the use of the society, into the technical instruments. And this was the example that how physics principles are transformed into products. Physicists, scientists build to understand, and engineers understand to build. And engineers acquire knowledge generated by the scientists to apply it and build something. And physicists design experiments to know the principles. If you put a wire between two electrodes and there is an ammeter or voltmeter, you designed an experiment. You built a setup to know the property of that wire, the resistivity, the conductivity, and whatever you want to measure with that. So physicists build to understand, and engineers understand to build. But the main problem is I see in my country is that we only memorized science. And I'm telling you, the memorization of science can never bring any change unless and until you can apply that knowledge and transform them into products so that they are used and they are taken into the local and global market. And then your physics will result in the economic and technological development of your country. So, the more you learn, the more you feel ignorant, because the universe is not a small thing. I'll give you a simple example that the carbon, CARBON, it was known about 24,000 years ago. People knew that this is carbon. Or maybe they had seen the burnt wood. They had seen the coal in the mines. So they knew carbon is there. When the mankind learned writing, after using the stone and other things to write something, they discovered that carbon is very soft, and if I use it for writing, it scratches and that color remains on the wood, on the wall, and they thought that we have done a very great invention, that now we can write easily. And it was carbon. After the man went through various stages of developments, they discovered steel, but steel could not be cut with iron or steel. And for that purpose, people use again diamond, and it is the same 100% carbon which cuts the steel. So it was the developed industrial world, and they thought that carbon has shown all its miracles. But in 2010, 2 persons or 3 persons, I don't remember exactly, were given Nobel Prizes for graphene, which is also 100% carbon in 2010. What this means? This means that the mankind has not yet understood the single element carbon. There are 118 elements, and there is a so huge and large universe which is totally unexplored. So never think that research will finish and the knowledge will end up. No, we couldn't answer still very fundamental questions. We haven't yet studied the old 24,000 years old carbon. So how can we say that we know about the universe? So the world is too big. If people are telling you that that person is taking my resources or that person is taking my resources, don't worry about these things. But you should worry about your knowledge. If you know something, then you will know the value of your resources. But if you don't know something, your resources are just stones for you.